Many people believe that building a big, strong chest requires hours in the gym, heavy weights, or complicated equipment. But the truth is, with proper technique, focus, and consistency, you can achieve remarkable chest activation in just a few minutes at home. Today, we will guide you through a 5-minute chest workout that's simple, effective, and perfect for all fitness levels. Even though the exercises take only 5 minutes, this narration is extended to 20 minutes so that you can learn every movement, understand proper form, and get tips to maximize results. Before we start, take a moment to prepare your body. Begin by gently rotating your shoulders forward and backward, loosening up the wrists and stretching the chest slightly. Take a few deep breaths, engage your core, and set your mind for focused exercise. Warming up properly allows your muscles and joints to move more efficiently and reduces the risk of injury. Always remember, the key to muscle growth is consistency and control, not rushing through repetitions. We begin with the standard push-up, which is the foundation of all chest exercises. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and align your body from head to heels. Tighten your core, keep your back straight, and ensure your neck is relaxed. Slowly lower your chest toward the floor while inhaling, feeling the stretch across your chest muscles. Push back up while exhaling and focus on contracting your chest at the top. Quality over quantity is essential. Even in short workouts, every repetition counts. Feel the muscles working, engage your shoulders, and control the movement. Take a short moment to breathe and reset, then move into wide push-ups. By placing your hands farther apart than usual, you place more emphasis on the chest and less on the triceps. Lower yourself slowly and feel the stretch across the outer chest. Push back up steadily and maintain tension in your chest muscles throughout the movement. Wide push-ups help build chest width and increase muscle activation. Focus on smooth, deliberate movements and controlled breathing, keeping your body stable. Next, we perform decline push-ups. Place your feet on a chair, bench, or elevated surface while your hands remain on the floor. This variation shifts more weight to the upper chest and shoulders. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Lower yourself slowly, feeling the stretch, then push back up in a controlled motion. Decline push-ups are highly effective for targeting the upper chest and improving shoulder strength. Take your time with each rep and focus on chest contraction. Now move into close grip push-ups. Bring your hands closer together, directly under your shoulders. This variation primarily works the inner chest and triceps. Keep your elbows tucked close to your body, lower yourself slowly, and push back up with control. Focus on squeezing the chest at the top. This helps develop a thicker, more defined chest while also improving tricep strength. Next, we perform explosive push-ups, also known as plyometric push-ups. Lower yourself into a standard push-up position, then push explosively so your hands leave the floor slightly. Land softly and immediately go into the next repetition. Explosive push-ups activate fast-twitch muscle fibers, improve power, and stimulate muscle growth quickly. Perform these safely and within your capability. Even a few controlled explosive push-ups make a significant difference. After that, we perform slow-tempo push-ups. Lower your body extremely slowly, taking 3 to 5 seconds on the way down. Pause briefly at the bottom, then push back up with control. Slow-tempo push-ups increase time under tension, which is critical for chest growth. Focus on your chest muscles, maintain proper form, and breathe steadily. Slow movements often engage muscles more deeply than fast repetitions. Now we finish with chest squeeze holds. In a plank or push-up position, squeeze your chest as hard as possible and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax slightly, then repeat 2 more times. This exercise enhances the mind-muscle connection and activates all fibers of your chest, providing a strong finish to your workout. Focus on posture, breathing, and feeling your chest contract fully. Throughout the workout, it's important to maintain proper breathing. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push up. Deep, steady breathing helps improve oxygen flow, supports endurance, and allows better muscle contraction. Keep your core engaged during every repetition to protect your lower back and maintain alignment. Proper form will maximize results while minimizing the risk of injury. Even though the exercises are brief, mental focus is key. Push-ups are not only physical, they are mental challenges. Maintaining proper form, controlled repetitions, and muscle engagement requires attention and concentration. Every repetition contributes to building strength, endurance, and definition. Visualize your chest muscles working with each rep and commit to performing each movement correctly. After completing the workout, take a few moments to stretch and recover. Stretch your chest by clasping your hands behind your back and opening your shoulders. Roll your shoulders gently and allow your muscles to relax. Recovery is essential for muscle growth. Proper stretching improves flexibility, reduces soreness, and allows your chest to recover fully before your next session. Even with just 5 minutes of focused exercise, performed consistently, you can develop a stronger, fuller chest. Repeat this workout 3 to 4 times per week, gradually increasing the difficulty or adding more controlled repetitions. Consistency, quality, and gradual progression are far more effective than long, unfocused workouts. Remember, building a big chest takes patience, focus, and regular practice. Stick with these exercises, maintain perfect form, and challenge yourself over time. Strength, size, and definition are built one controlled repetition at a time. Short, high-quality workouts, performed correctly, are incredibly effective for chest development. This concludes the Big Chest in 5 Minutes Extended Guide. Even though the exercises take only 5 minutes, following these detailed instructions, explanations, and tips extends the narration to a full 20 minutes, giving you the knowledge and motivation to maximize results. Consistency, proper technique, and focus are the keys to building a stronger, bigger chest at home.